Hi, my name is Bernal Córdoba. I'm a veterinarian and fifth-year PhD candidate in animal biology at the UC Davis School of Veterinary Medicine. During the summer of 2025, I participated in the Summer Immersion Program at UC Davis, where I work with Dr. Silva del Rio, who is the Dairy Extension Specialist of the School of Veterinary Medicine and who works at the Teaching and Research Center located in Tulare, California. Under her mentorship, I had the opportunity to explore ways to translate research into practical tools for California dairy producers and farm workers. This is a really interesting experience for me, since in my future path, I want to become a science communicator. The goal of my projects during the Summer Immersion Program was basically to develop evidence-based materials to help farmers assess colostrum quality on farms. This idea grew from previous experiences visiting dairy farms across California, where we observed that there is a need for this type of materials, for extension materials for farmers and farm workers, in order to provide them with guidance on how to perform different management practices. During the Summer Immersion Program, I conducted a project that involved two outputs. The first part of the project generated a newsletter article aimed at producers to provide a step-by-step guide on how to assess colostrum quality, including the calibration of the refractometer, including how to interpret the results, what to do with the results, and also how to do equipment care properly. The second part of the project involved translate this information into a graphic extension poster in order to provide farm workers with the same information. And for this reason, we provided this into in Spanish and also in English, given that many of the farm workers only speak Spanish as a first language. During the program, I gained a lot of knowledge about how to develop extension materials, about how to write newsletter articles. That is something new for me and is something different from the traditional academic writing. And also I learned how to develop posters that also they are different from the traditional posters that I developed in the past for conferences. These extension posters are different because the audience is different. So it's a really interesting and enjoyable experience. I also increased my inter and intrapersonal skills as a communicator, and I enjoy a lot my time working under Dr. Silva del Rio's mentorship. Finally, I'm grateful for the opportunity of participating in this program. I want to extend my thanks to the whole team behind this program, including Caroline and all the other members. And also I would like to extend my thanks to Dr. Silva del Rio for her mentorship and her support during this program. And definitely I expect, or I hope, to continue collaborating with her in future projects, and I hope to be able to continue communicating science to different audiences through my academic path. Thank you.